Windows blue screen, BSOD, how to find the cause. When a blue screen appears, Windows stops running to prevent the problem from getting worse. Before thinking about any fix, we need to find out what was recorded about the crash. That information will determine which possibilities deserve attention first. Find out when the crash has started. Press Windows plus R, type perfmon rel, and press Enter. In the Reliability Monitor, look for the days marked with a red X and click the most recent event. If there are critical failures close to the time of the blue screen, write down the date and time so you can compare them during the next tests. The most important record in the investigation. Now press Windows plus X and open Event Viewer. Go to Windows Logs, then System, and click Filter Current Log. In the Event IDs field, enter 1001 and confirm. If BugCheck appears around the times you noted, Windows recorded details about the blue screen. What this event actually reveals. Open a BugCheck event and check whether the recorded time matches the moment the crash occurred. If it does, you've found a useful record for the investigation. If there are no events close to the problem, you'll need to look for evidence elsewhere in the system. Now let's test a common suspect. One of the most common causes of blue screens is memory failure. Press Windows plus R, type mdsched.exe, and select Restart Now and check for problems. Windows will run a test before startup to look for RAM errors. The result that can change everything. After Windows starts again, open Event Viewer and go to Windows Logs, then System. Click Find and search for MemoryDiagnostics-Results. If it says no errors detected, memory becomes less likely. If errors are reported, it becomes a strong suspect. Checking Windows integrity. If the memory test found no errors, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc scannow and press Enter. The scan looks for corrupted system files that can cause critical failures and lead to blue screens. How to interpret the message displayed. When the command finishes, carefully review the result shown on the screen. If corrupted files were found and repaired, there is evidence of operating system issues. If no problems are found, that possibility becomes less likely and other causes move higher on the list. Checking whether the evidence matches. Now, compare the times recorded in Reliability Monitor with the events found in Event Viewer. When different tools point to the same moment of failure, the evidence becomes more reliable and helps narrow down the possibilities. Which cause is still standing? At this point, you've checked blue screen records, BugCheck events, memory test results, and system integrity. Compare all the information you've gathered. The strongest hypothesis will be the one supported by positive findings, while the others have lost strength throughout the investigation. In summary, we started by identifying when the blue screens occurred, analyzed Windows logs, tested the memory, and checked system files. With all this evidence collected, which hypothesis seems most likely in your case?